Charlie.
Gotcha.
Thank you, sir. Is that a car in front of us? I can't tell if we can move up. Yeah, can I do a triple venti, half sweet, non-fat, iced caramel macchiato with whip and make it iced? That's the rub. Oops. Oh, crap, that was our turn. I'll just spin around here. Yep, just right there. Pardon me, sorry. Yep, just maybe 2 more of those. Yep, that should do it. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, big truck. Nope. All right, we'll try to back in maybe. That'll be a better option. Nope. Looks like we can just go to the back of the lot. Not sure how you didn't see me. Hello? And that should do it. Oh. I think we're good. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Just grab some money out of the ATM. Just gotta get down here. It's so far down there. So yeah, I mean, like I was saying, driving a SEMA truck daily is not really much of. Ah! Gotcha.